good afternoon. Welcome back to our Math Online class. So this is teacher LM. Alright, so yesterday we reviewed about numbers from 0 to number 8. Okay, so this afternoon we are going to continue learning new numbers. But before that, let's count 0 to number 8 first. Okay, so everybody count with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, again, everyone, let's count one more time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, good job. Now, this afternoon class, we are going to learn a new number. And that number is... All right, let's find out. Let's count how many umbrellas are there first before I will tell you what number are we going to study for this afternoon. Okay, everyone, let's count the umbrellas. How many umbrellas are there? All right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there are 9 umbrellas. So this afternoon class, we are going to learn 9. Okay, number 9. Okay, everybody, how to spell 9? 9, I spell N-I-N-E. 9. Okay, now let's practice more about number 9. Okay, let's count the penguins. How many penguins are there? Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 penguins. Okay, next, let's count how many spaceship are there. Okay, everybody, let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 spaceship. Again, how do you spell number 9? So number 9, I spell N-I-N-E. 9. Okay? Okay, so now let's practice. So if you see this number, okay, or if you see this trace, wait a minute. Okay, excuse me. So again, one more time. If you see these marks on your paper, so you need to trace the number, okay? Write and trace the number 9. Okay, so here, how to answer this activity. If you see this, you will count. Okay, inside the box, you're going to write how many objects are there. Okay, so for example, let's count how many grapes are there, everyone. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're going to write inside the box number 9. Okay, next object, let's count how many Jews are there. Again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're going to write number 9. Next, how many robots are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will write number 9 inside the box. Last one, how many watermelons are there? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll write number 9. So that's all about number 9 class. Again, this is teacher LM, and don't forget to answer your worksheet. Okay? Your worksheet for today, this one, don't forget to trace number 9. Okay, kids, so that would be all for today. Goodbye and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.